Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to check in online on Eurowings Airlines. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in eurowings.com. After that you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Eurowings if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top side of the screen we have the Explore, Book, Information, Flight and Hotel, My Trip, and Check-in. And in the top right corner, we have everything about your profile. And in the middle, as you can see, you can go here and book your flight. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and check in online on Eurowings Airlines. So basically what you need to do is go to the top side of the screen, as you can see here in the tabs, and go to the Check-in tab, which is the last tab. Then when you click on there, here you can online check-in, as you can see. You can, of course, select your booking option to enter your details below. I booked my own trip. I booked for another tour operator. You need to put in your booking code, last name, and then just click check-in now. So at the moment, I don't have a flight that I can check in, but if you, of course, have one, you just need to put the booking code. So that is the 6-digit code in your booking confirmation, and your last name, the last name under which the booking was made. Click check-in, and you'll be checked in then. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.